for us to refute that aspect of our decision. We know that na ndị be anyị na-enwe mkpagbu na obodo anyị bụ Nigeria. Mana ihe anyị na-ejidebepụta onwe anyị na-ata onwe anyị afụfụ. On Monday, like every other day, they have to sell granite to eat. They have to sell yam to eat. They have to fry akara to eat. Any day, only one thinking of begging will not give you money. Indian are thinking happy. Some of them in America, before in London, before in Aba, before in Lagos, how they go and they end their living and they telling us not to go anywhere. If in Abuja, I can confirm, and the Abuja man had a job in Enugu. Even Lagos, I'm a job out on Abakaliki. They don't know what's happening in Aba because I had a job in here. So we cannot be hurting ourselves. Then I need no wife for man. And the worst will how we enforce it. They put on a big and not trying just because we want to go and earn a living. So that's a video here where you all go corrupt and Ndiigbo. We reach we are road. I got in the room why I had a big room why it's not going to take us anywhere. The way the airport and the one that they will wear have a take by Sinat Trump. Israel is surrounded by enemies in the whole of Middle East. Israel never start at all one day thinking that Ndiigbo have also no. They go out after their enemies. But here we are on our enemies. We'll kill ourselves in Anambra, we'll kill ourselves in Imo State. And because now they go why others are also killing us. But I know, okay, you get no. I'm going to So I want to use this opportunity to convey a message to our people that it is time for us to stop killing ourselves. It is time to stop hurting ourselves. Let us put our thinking cap and see what we can do to liberate ourselves without violence. For 3 years, I choose through violence, fighting to liberate our people. We had cause to do that. But looking back, 1 million Biafran people were killed, yet we didn't get Biafra. We can't go down through that route again. Because someone like this, even just a country by fighting would have gotten it then. We have people who were more determined then, Ndiigbo an army in Nigeria and came back and fought. So open the way to Biafra by fighting, then we can't get it today by fighting. It is negotiation. It is dialogue.